In this video, I will tell you about Hamster Kombat price prediction, Hamster coin price updates. As of today, Hamster Kombat is trading at around 0.00x dollar. It sounds like a tiny number, but in the world of crypto, that's quite common for newer tokens. The low price doesn't mean low potential. It means there's a room for big percentage gains, especially with a token that has potential developments on the horizon. For Hamster Kombat, we have a crucial news. Users can now connect their Hamster coins to Ton Wallet using the Timekeeper app or from the airdrop tab in the Hamster Kombat. Moreover, profit per hour is more important than total Hamster coins, so you should now focus on increasing the profit per hour by taking more and more part in games. And if we check some historical data, Notcoin was the first such huge project with Telegram mining facility. It ended in April 2024. In it, 1,000 game coins converted to one Not token. According to the data available, the total supply of Not tokens was 102 billion, and when it comes to Hamster Kombat, it has much larger user base. Hamster recently shared that it has 150 million active players. However, Hamster has not revealed the total coin mine up till now. It has also not shared white paper yet. Therefore, the total and circulating supply is not known. If the Hamster follows the same path of Not token, one Hamster token will be in exchange for 10,000 profit per hour. In this way, the total supply can be in trillions. All the calculations are just assumptions based on the data available. The Hamster coin is to be listed in July 2024, so people are eagerly waiting for Hamster to disclose the listing.